Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look at how gorgeous this palette is. As soon as I saw it, Anastasia posting on Instagram revealing it, I thought, wow, this is really unique for Anastasia, and plus they need to work on more eyeshadow palettes. Like, glow kits are pretty and whatnot, but I'm tired of it, okay? Tired, okay? We need more eyeshadow palettes. So we got the Norvina palette, and I love it. The quality is, what do you expect? Unmatched. I do wish for this palette there was some more bolder purples, but other than that, this is a really nice palette. It's a beautiful palette, and this is the look I came up with. The purple part, which is the shade Soul, which is one of my favorite shades ever that everyone uses. Wanted to incorporate this shade but also use it in a way where not a lot of the influencers have used it yet. Like, I would love to use this as a focal point, so I made the look different by doing like a shadow liner sort of thing, and it came out really nice, and I used some of the other shades as well. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome. If you want to see more videos like this, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, follow my social medias down below, also click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video, and if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So starting with the eyes, I am going to be prepping my eyes with the usual, the MAC 24-Hour Extend Eye Base. Now we're going to be going into the new Anastasia Norvina palette. Look at this. Hello. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and go into my crease color first. I'm going to take Eccentric. Right after my transition shade, I'm going to go into the shade Incense for my crease. For my outer corner, I'm going to be taking the shade Volatile, mixing just a little bit of Soul. You can barely tell, but I just do it just because there's like a hint of that purple. But I am going to use this color as a liner later. But for now, I'm just going to use the Volatile and the Soul shade as my outer corner. I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm going to be carving out my crease for the pink shade as a base. Also going to be setting the concealer base with a little bit of the shade Base. For the pink, I'm going to be taking the shade Wild Child, and then I'm also going to be wetting my brush with Fix Plus. I'm going to be taking Soul for the shadow liner part. First gonna draw it out dry, and then I will go in with Fix Plus as well, just so that it becomes more vibrant. Before I go on to the rest of the face, I blended out the eyes a little bit more. I added a little bit more of that Eccentric orange shade in the palette. And I also went over the brow bone with base so that I can blend the colors a little bit. For concealer, I'm going to be taking two concealers. I'm going to be taking the Flawless Fusion Concealer from Mercier in the shade 3W and the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light Neutral 15. To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using Mercier translucent powder, and then for my face, I'm just going to lightly set with the BECCA Hydra-Mist powder. For contour, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Mocha. For bronzer, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. For my highlight, I'm going to be taking the Ofra Glow Up Highlighting Palette, which is so beautiful. Ofra highlights are super pigmented. If you want a blinding highlight, then Ofra is perfect for you. And so I'm going to be taking Rodeo Drive. For blush, I'm taking the Ofra blush palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Crazy Pink. For the waterline, I'm going to be taking the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil from Urban Decay in the shade 0. And then for the lower lash line and also connecting it to the liner a little bit that I did, I'm going to be taking Soul. For my brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking the shade Dreamer. I'm going to be setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and then I'm also going to be going with the CoverFx Dewy Finish Spray. I'm going to be curling my lashes and then applying mascara, and then I'm going to be going to apply the Soho lashes from Coco Lashes. And to finish off with the lips, I'm going to be taking my Bite Beauty custom lipstick from the Bite Beauty Lip Lab, and this is in the shade My Great Boy. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.